Dear students, I welcome you all in the lecture series of Unit 1st of the course Income Tax Law and Practice. Myself, Muhammad Ashraf, Assistant Professor in Commerce. In today's lecture, we will discuss in detail meaning and characteristics of income tax. Meaning: income tax is a type of tax that governments impose on income generated by businesses and individuals within their jurisdiction. By law, taxpayer must file an income tax return annually to determine their tax obligations. Income tax generally is computed as the product of tax rate times taxable income. Taxation rates may vary by type or characteristics of the taxpayer. The tax rate may increase as taxable income increases. The tax imposed on companies is usually known as corporate tax and is levied at a flat rate. Individuals' income is often taxed at progressive rates, which is the tax rate applied to each additional unit of currency increases. Income tax are source of revenue for governments. They are used to fund public services, pay government obligations, and provide goods for citizens. Now we will discuss characteristics of income tax. The main characteristics or features of income tax are as follows. First, it is compulsory contribution. Even though a tax is paid willingly, in the sense it is a compulsory contribution. It only means that no one can refuse to pay tax on the general ground that he does not derive any benefit from certain state services. A tax is levied on the basis of some predetermined criteria such as equity. Second characteristic is punishable offense if not paid. A tax is a compulsory payment to be paid by the citizens who are liable to pay it. Hence, refusal to pay a tax is a punishable offense. Third characteristic is tax payment is a personal obligation. The obligation to pay tax is a personal responsibility of the taxpayer. This personal obligation to contribute to the state support is universal and applies to all. Fourth characteristic is tax on income. A tax is paid out of the income of the taxpayer. The amount of tax is not fixed with reference to the exact benefit which a taxpayer receives from public services. In other words, there is no element of quid pro quo in the payment of tax. Fifth characteristic is it is source of income to the government. A tax is levied to meet public expenditure incurred by the government in the general interest of the nation. Sixth characteristic is it is an instrument to achieve various social objectives. Taxation is used as an instrument of attaining certain social objectives, that is, as a means of redistribution of wealth and thereby reducing inequalities. Taxation in a modern government is thus needed not merely to raise the revenue required to meet its expenditure on administration and social services, but also to reduce the inequalities of the income and wealth. Taxation might also be needed to draw away money that would otherwise go into consumption and cause inflation to rise. Last characteristic is it is periodical payment. A tax is payable regularly and periodically as determined by the taxing authority. In most of the cases, it is paid annually. Thank you.